You're diving headfirst into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, but overwhelmed by the sheer number of exchanges. You've heard whispers of Kraken and Coinbase, titans in the crypto space, but which one truly deserves your loyalty? This isn't just a battle of logos, it's a clash of features, fees, security, and user experience. We're about to dissect these two behemoths, leaving no stone unturned. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of which exchange best suits your crypto journey. 1. The contenders, Kraken and Coinbase. Let's introduce our gladiators. Kraken, often hailed as the veteran of the crypto world, Kraken boasts a reputation for advanced trading features, robust security, and a wide array of cryptocurrencies. Think of it as the seasoned warrior, battle-hardened and equipped for any challenge. Coinbase, the people's champion, Coinbase is renowned for its user-friendly interface, making it a popular choice for beginners. It emphasizes simplicity and ease of use, prioritizing a smooth onboarding experience. 2. User experience, beginner-friendly versus power user paradise. Coinbase. Pros. Intuitive interface, easy to navigate, even for those new to crypto. Simple buying and selling, seamless experience for purchasing crypto with fiat currency. Educational resources, offers helpful guides and tutorials for beginners. Cons. Limited advanced trading features, may not suit experienced traders seeking complex order types. Can feel restrictive for advanced users. Kraken. Pros. Powerful trading engine, offers advanced order types like stop-loss, limit, and margin trading. Extensive charting tools, provides in-depth market analysis for experienced traders. More professional feel, appeals to those seeking a more sophisticated trading experience. Cons. Steeper learning curve, can be overwhelming for newcomers. Interface may seem complex for beginners. 3. Fees, the hidden costs. Coinbase. Pros. Competitive fees for spot trading, generally reasonable fees for buying and selling crypto. Offers a subscription service, Coinbase Pro, with lower fees for active traders. Cons. Higher fees for some services, can be more expensive for certain actions like bank transfers or withdrawals. Kraken. Pros. Highly competitive fees, known for its low trading fees, making it attractive for active traders. Fee tiers, offers tiered fee structures based on trading volume, rewarding high-volume traders. Cons. Fee structure can be complex, understanding and optimizing fees may require some research. 4. Security, keeping your crypto safe. Coinbase. Strong security measures, employs robust security protocols, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, and insurance on some assets. Regular security audits, continuously enhances its security measures to protect user funds. Kraken. Industry-leading security, renowned for its robust security practices and a strong track record of safeguarding user funds. Focus on security, prioritizes security features and regularly invests in advanced security technologies. 5. Cryptocurrency selection, variety versus focus. Coinbase. Wide range of cryptocurrencies, supports a large selection of popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Continuously adding new assets, regularly expands its cryptocurrency offerings to meet user demand. Kraken. Extensive cryptocurrency support, offers a vast selection of cryptocurrencies, including many lesser-known and more niche options. Focus on professional-grade assets, includes a wider range of professional-grade assets like derivatives and staking options. 6. Customer support, reaching out for help. Coinbase. User-friendly support, offers various support channels, including email, chat, and phone support. Extensive help center, provides comprehensive resources and FAQs to assist users. Kraken. Excellent customer support, known for its responsive and helpful customer support team. Multiple support channels, offers various options for contacting support, including email, chat, and ticket system. 7. the verdict: which exchange wins? Ultimately, the better exchange depends entirely on your individual needs and preferences. Choose Coinbase if you're a beginner. You prioritize simplicity and ease of use. You primarily focus on buying and holding popular cryptocurrencies. Choose Kraken if you're an experienced trader. You seek advanced trading features and competitive fees. You value a wide range of cryptocurrencies and professional-grade tools. 8. Beyond the basics, exploring other factors. Staking. Both exchanges offer staking options, allowing you to earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies. Derivatives. Kraken offers a wider range of derivatives products, such as futures and options, for experienced traders. Mobile apps. Both platforms offer user-friendly mobile apps for trading on the go. 9. The final showdown, a quick recap. Coinbase, user-friendly, beginner-friendly, strong security, wide range of cryptocurrencies. Kraken, advanced trading, competitive fees, robust security, extensive cryptocurrency selection. 10. Conclusion. The crypto world is constantly evolving. The best exchange for you today may not be the best tomorrow. Do your own research, explore each exchange in more detail, considering your specific needs and risk tolerance. Start with a small investment, begin with a small amount to test the waters and get comfortable with the platform. Prioritize security. Always prioritize security measures like two-factor authentication. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.